Long ago in England, a 8 ans juste King Roulette Land. In a moi King, UT. Tim Vergodant People Livedvel. King, UT wanted a magicien à court. En so chose te famou Merlin te magicien. Merlin coult saint te futur. En Knetos god dever no going to last. King, UT ante King in vrad Achille, a Bébisson. A cast le parti forte Royal Beard, Merlin te magicien toct King Yazid. Said, Sire, trisometing you must know. Soon agrea darkness will follow land. Your shilling grea danger. Lem tact baby far away. I will be sur stay safe. Merlin. Cette King in surprise. You are agrea magicien. En you are mifrien. Butri no wave would let anion take or away. Sire, trisometing you must know. Sadly, soon after to shield beard to kindie. No long after, King, utewa ki in bat le. Ta very night, Merlin swept into to castle to shield. The next morning, the royal nurse went to the nursery. Allah, en anticribe. In fear, the nurse, the nobles en servant looked every but baby wagon. For year, the roi no king to see on the throne. No king to set the law. Men of I grand fug to the king. Darkness fell over the land. Robert en ban of Willman ruled stray of London. Evil men broke into usant to quat wanted. Traveler on te radvrjumped en robed. The people of England lived in fear. Yet far away, the roi qui est place. A good knight, Sir Hector, lived in peace with it was on. He first son one Ametka. He youngé son Arthur had been adopted a baby. Year before, a stranger had come to Sir Hector with a baby. Asked if Sir Hector would rest chill. The old knight took the baby in Yarin, glad for a second chill. Namet baby Arthur, en reset chill a yon. Yet far away, the roi qui est place. When Arthur was 10 years old, the Sam stranger retournait to Sir Hector home. The cool brilliant en vrit, en so Sir Hector irredim tout it was on. Ca could no sisti for les sons en stopped coming. But Arthur listened with day. Learned everything. I bet you have guessed been who ta stranger roi, non étant Merlin te magicien. At of a day when Arthur finished the core, ta watim forte leçon. Merlin would see with Arthur for urant him about the world. Arthur was un lad, no strongly ki big broteka. Merlin said no to worry about a. Said wa mattered most what to have a hear ta wa big anstro. Merlin saw the fox en deux et followed Arthur. The cults tat boyad a very big anstro here. Bit Tim Arthur roi says, I broteka had become a knight. One cal circa. Arthur loved nothing more than to serve brote a squire. Kept grea car of I broter tunique en helmet, is prend lance. Merlin saw the fox en deux et followed Arthur. On a day allait son team, Merlin looked away. Stood up. Wait, said Arthur. The people need up, said Merlin. Arthur, trisometing he must do. He must go now. Tonight, when tonight I most dark, Merlin the magicien came to London Market Square. Stood in the middle of the square. Held but Yarin ig. En pointed the want to star. The next morning at dawn, people started to arrive at the market. Three from of them was something most odd. A block of white marble stood in the middle of the town square. Resting on the block was a giant stone the size of a very large rock. At the very top of the stone the roi a golden sword a inch of the blade, shining in the snow. Yet, the was most odd, the rest of the blade was buried deep into the stone. None of the water the before. In front of them, was something most odd. Was more, the sword could be seen on the top of the blade. Weve pull out Tisvor from Tiston it trucking of England. Asunat crowd kne about message, management up to ta wit marble block. On afte à noter, te gaft svor a yank. Etrier en trier, but svor stuk fast. It will no move. On said in gloom, tri no man alive who cool pull out tasvor. Vel sabuta. Said a voice in the crowd. The Duke of Cornwall, dressed in silk en ribbon, stepped up to the wit marble block. Iri, said. I call for a tournament to be held, on mount from today. Knight from a new errand every in England are invited to come. The will be contest en prise. En a grand fist for all. The Duke said to his wife, the Duchess, if it no man, the tournament will draw the strongest, finest knight in all of England. Said Duchess, Godida, me dear. Alveneid on knight who is so strong pulled as for from the stone. Then we will have a king again, a last. I call for a tournament to be held, on mount from today. The people danced en charade. A last the roi sommeting to fell a piabou. News of the tournament traveled fast. From castle to village, to every far corner of the land. A last, vor go to the far away home of Sir Hector. Sir heard the news when wa polishing helmet. Arthur. Call out. Arthur rabbit wood, fading beer from Ian. Set donne a pile of sei fort beer, en a pile fort skirel. Ten rend fast tous y broté. Triouar. Said ka. There will be a tournament in London. We must set out à 11. Ou great news. Arthur had never been more than half a mile from home. He would be the best squire ever for y broté. Arthur ran back to Toulouse. In the courtyard he fate was jetting at the horse ready. Sir Hector en it was son road through London on served to the tournament. Riding through Market Square, something shiny glinted in the snow. Tasvor looks like it right into Taston, said Arthur. But cantab? Ta impossible. Bu weaver war standing all around it? Te fate en it was son riachet tournam. Sir 40 of to jet in line to register. Sir Hector Grey était many old rien, duc, earl, baron, coin en cointes. Arthur sat in cert, polishing y broter helmet it shone bright. My goodness, said Arthur. It looks like Tasvor right into the stone. But of course ta impossible. A bugle soon dead. Te tourna moi à bout tout bejeun. Jet Misvor, demanded K. Right away, said Arthur. Buo et right? Arthur looked around in panic. Qu'espire, bat te le axe, and gave right to Erteshulb. Bunosvor. K. Said, Oabu abat te le axe. Arthur, he said Misvor. I, of course, said Arthur. Bu juste un moment. Bucky cabouit. Said K. Qu'espire, bat te le axe, and gave ro Erteshulb. Bunosvor. Arthur ran back into the my bad let casvorter. Sir shed through the bag of armor en vipon. Oh cool de lait su châtigne à peine. Tenna dans Ida. Very fast, Arthur rode back to the Market Square. Te guarverno te ranimor, te must have all gone to the tournam. Arthur stepped du pont marble block. Les if tasvor quand jetten stuk. To cold of tandle of tesvor. A mauvais svor habit. Said. I lose en itub. Witton big tesvor slid out. Arthur roi back, but svor roi saf inian. I will be sur to bring it right back. Rasset tout au brote wa waiting. Riti, said, andignat svor to we brote. Catocon look. Oh. Said in surprise. Why it? Said Arthur. Bui brote wagon. Sunafte, iri broter voice sudzi de tot. Fate, I have something to show you. Quand I fate steped ainsi de tot. Katokon look. Oh. Said in surprise. Look. Said ka. Pointed tout svor. Director stared. I face tourne wit. Ka. Said fate, fascignol derson, ou did you jet ti svor? It min. Said ka, holding it close to him. I have it no. Ka. Said fate again in a stern voice. I will ask you one more time. Where did you jet ti svor? You knighted dropped down. From Arthur said. Lost Miss Vor. Some of Gotion. Arthur? Te fate turnet oui ou on son. O it ta you can be ti svor? It min. Said ka, holding it close to him. I have it no. I'm sorry. Said Arthur. Fate, I will pull it back right away. I only want to borrow it when I pull it from the stone. You must take us to where you found this svor. A 11. Très often rush dove toute Market Square. Arthur climbed du ponton de marble block. It came from her, said. Lifted svor over it. Then dropped blade back into the stone. No I back. Said Sorka. I still need a svor. Jumped du ponton de marble block. Grabbing a tilt of the svor, pull en pull. But it did no move. Shouted to Arthur, what did you do to it? Nothing. Said lad. You must have done something. Yell circa. Hush. Both of you. Said Fate. It bet if no one sorry. But it was too late. A crowd had already started to form. Did you pull the svor out of the stone? Calon. I, said Arthur. I did. Do it again. Cala note from the crowd? I, less it. Say. Did you pull the svor out of the stone? Calon. Arthur puis en around the golden angle, with on tug, the blade slid out. WHO are you? Cala note voice. Why your name? Arthur, said lad. Wait a minute, put a svor back. A tall knight push forward from the crowd. Anion can pull it out, once I been pull. Go ahead. Pull it back, son, said a voice. It was the Duke of Cornwall, the WHO had called for the tournament. Alright, said Arthur. Slipped the blade back into the stone, with ease. Anion can pull it out, once I been pull. Lemme atano. Said tall knight. Jumped up and grabbed angle of the svor. Bupul and might, the svor will no move. No even a bit. Annoté knight trié. Ten annoté. Buno on could move the svor. Some waited, thinking te longer te pull the svor, te lose it you'll jet. But when a took their turn, the svor did no move for them. Let the latrino, said Duke of Cornwall. Arthur, go ahead. Arthur stepped up to the stone again. In an motion freed svor. Titim, LDT above it. The blade flashed in the snow. Amazed, the crowd did not know what to think. On call out last. Must be new king. In an motion freed svor. The king. Cala note. A last. Stop. Shouted the tall knight. Do you really think this skinny boy should rule over all of us? He. Said a voice. Allez tourner around. It was Merlin the magician. Ik naughty boy. Ik no here. Trino in England WHO air tai bigger strong tan I. Svor told dusty you on I to but the next king of England. Entry something else. Hush fell on the crowd. The lad, said Merlin, pointing to Arthur, it trushil of king, ut. It missing baby. Scherbegan touring out. I, King Arthur. Cal Simone from the crowd. I, King Arthur. Cala voice. Director fell to ikni. Ten circa. On person afte a noté fell to cirkni, to. Al shared. À last, a king had been chosen. A fresh young king, on a new day for England.